Hi guys, welcome back to Dadlicious Eats. It's breakfast time and we're going to cook up some eggs. Now my children were asking, how long does it take to boil an egg? And the answer is, it depends. Now it depends on whether you want your hard-boiled egg with a firm centre, whether you want one with a slightly gooey centre, or you want a soft-boiled egg for dipping your soldiers in. So I thought I'd put together a quick video to talk you through how I would boil an egg for each of these types. Now before we begin, the one thing I would say is that make sure your eggs are room temperature. Here in the UK we don't typically refrigerate them, they're not required. I know in the US you tend to put them in the fridge, so make sure you've taken them out of the fridge, left them to come up to room temperature for a while. Right, let's get boiling. So let's start off by getting a pan of boiling water. Make sure it's boiling before you put the eggs in. Gently place them in, use a slotted spoon or any other type of spoon. You don't want to drop them in, risking cracking. And we're going to cook these off. So for the soft-boiled egg, we're going to cook that for 5 minutes. For the hard-boiled egg with the runny centre, 8 minutes. And for the hard-boiled egg with the hard centre, that's 10 minutes. So for the soft-boiled egg, we take that out after 5 minutes. And we pop it into an egg cup. Now, I've not got an egg cup, so I'm using a shot glass. So we just use a spoon to crack the top. And we pull the top off. And there we have perfectly cooked soft-boiled egg, ready to dip your toast into. And that's 5 minutes. For the hard-boiled egg with a soft centre, we take that out after 8 minutes. Pop it into some icy water to stop the cooking. Hopefully you're finding this video informative. If you are, I'd love it if you were to become a subscriber. I've got tons of videos that I want to share with you. Just click the button now. It would really help me out if you could click the like button, helps the algorithm. And if you've got a comment about this, if you disagree or if you agree or if you've got a different way of doing things, let me know and I'll absolutely get back to you. So once we've peeled that off, it's looking good. It's nice and firm on the outside, so that's great. If you had it a minute or so less, you probably wouldn't have such a firm exterior, which wouldn't go well when you're peeling the egg. So we're going to cut that in half. And there we have a nice gooey egg in the middle. And that's perfectly cooked there. You've got nice firm exterior, but nice gooey center. For the hard-boiled egg with a hard centre, we're going to pop that out into the ice bath after 10 minutes. You could probably leave it another minute longer if you wish, but 10 minutes is a general rule of thumb for an egg to get that hard centre that you can then peel and then you can mash up into egg sandwiches or deviled eggs or whatever you want to do with them. If you think this video is helpful, let me know and I'll do more of them on some of the basics of cooking. So we finished peeling off the shell of the hard-boiled egg here. And let's cut that in half. And there we have a nice firm egg. Perfect for sandwiches or whatever you want to do with it. So thank you for making it to the end of this video. Really appreciate it. Hopefully that makes sense. It's super easy. All you're doing is changing the amount of time you're cooking your eggs for. I'll be back with more helpful videos soon. Until then, take care, guys.